In this guide, we are going over a ton of advanced tips for Pokopia. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first tip is getting Gulpin early. You can use him as storage just by talking to him and checking his inventory. You can also use Pokemon with the engineer ability to finish builds a lot faster as well. For building, you don't really need a specific Pokemon though, just ones with the right ability. I'd also recommend setting up security cameras near shops to check items remotely. That is very nice and will save you a ton of time. But for money, make sure that you're farming resources like volcanic ash or crafting items like log chairs for profit. Whenever you buy houses, make sure, of course, that there's no background, because that's going to be a loading screen. If there's a background image, that's going to obviously open up your interior. In prefab houses, obviously, nearby chests link to crafting tables automatically. Water wheels also do not need flowing water. You just got to place water near them. You can also use Magnemite form to move trees and objects. And for fast travel, just place a door in a wall and set it as a house. Ready tomorrow means the 5 a.m. reset. You can also use vending machines daily for items that spawn environments like lava or hot springs. I believe I have some vending machines over in this location. Yep. If you press up on the D-pad, you'll make a Pokemon follow you and they'll teleport or fast travel with you as well. You can also use honey to spawn Pokemon quickly. You can use cut to harvest crops faster. Leaf abilities can also create vines and materials. Each floor in a house can also count as a separate habitat, and you can also feed Pokemon their favorite food for quick environment boost. Not to mention, you can control weather using habitats, and you can use water abilities to hydrate large areas fast. Different Pokemon can also change cooking results, and you can hide power systems underground using water wheels and wiring. That's just a quick rundown of all the advanced tips. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.